Hello dear students, today we are solving the ACET December paper. So find the value of this thing. Okay, so cos inverse 4 plus 5 plus tan inverse. So this is can be written as tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Okay, so this is now both in tan inverse. We can apply the formula normally of the tan inverse, that is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 7 and 1 minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 7. So tan inverse this is tan inverse 1, that is pi by 4. That's the answer to this question. Let's proceed to the section number 7. 3 j 1 square summational structure. So this is simply 9j square minus 6j plus 1. Very easy. So 9 summation of j square, 6 summation of j plus n values are there. And this is the formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, 6n into n plus 1 by 2 plus n. If you solve it all together, so it will get us as n by 2, 6n square plus 3n minus 1. So this is option number D is correct.